Do you ever feel like trying to make money online is the same probability at trying to win at slots? If you do think that, then you're gonna love this video because I'm gonna show you a strategy that is not only the easiest strategy that I've ever found to make money online, but most importantly, it actually works and you can make up to $500 or more using this strategy, like always, from anywhere in the world. So let's jump into my computer and I'll show you how right now. Let's go. Alright guys, welcome into my screen. So what we're gonna be talking about, like I said before, is how to get paid up to $500 or more per day, literally to copy and paste ads. And I know that probably sounds kind of confusing, like how am I gonna get paid to copy and paste ads? Who's viewing the ads? Who's writing the ads? Don't worry guys, I'm going to be sharing an exact template, as always, that you guys can literally copy word for word. But as always, the people who are gonna have the most success with this are gonna be the people who actually iterate and create little changes and test things and look at other ads that catch your eye on Facebook, on Google, right, on the free ad forum, across the entire internet. Start to become an experimenter, not just simply an observer. Look at ads that actually catch your attention and understand why, right? Was it beautiful cars? Was it maybe beautiful women? Was it a smiling person? Or was it some crazy picture of the galaxy? You want to start thinking about what actually catches your attention so that you can then reiterate that same attention grabbing technique with your own advertising, right? So the first site that we're gonna look at is called the free ad forum. The first thing that we're gonna do is click on register, right? So we can fill out, our email address, confirm our email address, username, password, and you can see here that this site actually is business opportunity friendly, which is something that is gonna become important as we move on with this strategy. You can see that the only things they don't allow are escort, pharmaceutical, and drug ads. Everything else they are okay with, which is actually pretty cool because a lot of the sites that this is also a strategy to make money with do not allow business opportunity, which is going to be the easiest and low-hanging fruit to actually make money using this strategy. So once you guys set up your account, you can see I already have an account and I'm signed in here. What we're gonna do is we're gonna click on new classified. And what this does is it allows us to set up an ad that hundreds and thousands of people are actually viewing, right? Because these types of sites get a crazy amount of traffic of people who are looking for certain things, similar to a couple of the other options that we're gonna talk about later on in this video. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna actually go to down here at the bottom where it says jobs. We're gonna click on jobs and then we're gonna click on business opportunities. And this is all gonna make sense in a few minutes as we kind of continue on with this strategy. I promise it's gonna make sense. So we're gonna choose jobs and then we're gonna choose business opportunity. You can see that it also allows you to choose the duration of how long your ad is actually going to be shown, right? Because the more people who see your ad, the more money that you're going to make leveraging the strategy that we're gonna go over in a few minutes. And so you can choose other things like 6 months, a year for $5 or $10. We're not gonna do that, right? We're just gonna do 90 days and it's gonna be free. So this is where we actually build out our ad, right? But as always, guys, I always give you, templates and things like that you can literally just copy and paste. And so we're gonna grab that template really quick and we're gonna copy it directly in here. So we're gonna paste in our title that we wrote right here. This will be available down below in the description, so you guys can copy and paste this. But remember, you wanna change it up a little bit and really make it your own. Wait, new system earns hundreds per day, confirmed, working late 2019, right? So you wanna make it seem current. You want something to, really interrupt the pattern of their scroll and things like that. And then we are also going to grab the body and we're gonna paste it in right here. This is the strategy the government doesn't want you to know about, a way to earn money from home from anywhere in the world, right? You have to kind of think about who your target demographic is. What are the type of people who are actually going to be browsing these sites, seeing this traffic? It's gonna be people looking for stay-at-home jobs. They find this site from Google, linked from other work from home blogs, classified ads, native ads, things like that is what's gonna bring them to the ad forum. So you want to really try to cater to the type of person that's going to be reading this type of ad. It is going to seem a little bit more spammy than as if you were advertising on Facebook or Google, for example, to a much higher quality of actual end user. Of course, that's why Google and Facebook ads cost money and it's free to copy and paste these ads. They can still make you a significant amount of money. And so the last thing that we want to do is actually add tags. And similar to YouTube videos and things like that, you add tags that tell the free ad forum how to actually show people your ad based on what they search, right? And so we're gonna grab the tags really quick and then I'll explain exactly how it works. Boom, so here are our tags right here. Make money online, make money from home, how to make money online 2019, passive income strategies, right? Things that people would actually type into a search bar that would actually then bring them to our actual ad that we're putting right here. So for price, we're gonna put 0 because we're actually gonna be selling a digital product. And then we're gonna put in our email address that we use to actually sign up. We're gonna put United States. If you wanna add additional states or regions to target specifically, you can definitely do that. And then for our website, this is what people are actually going to be clicking when they come to our actual ad. Remember, this is all completely free traffic from the thousands and thousands of people who visit thefreeadforum.com looking for ways to make money online, looking for methods and strategies to increase their income or grow personal development and things like that. And so our website URL, we're actually going to generate from the largest affiliate network in the world, which of course is ClickBank, right? So we're gonna go to a site called CB Engine. We're actually gonna go to Top Gravity, which is the top selling products on ClickBank. And one of them that I think would be good for this particular strategy is called Overnight Millionaire, right? They pay you $24 every single time that you actually make a sale. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to ClickBank really quick, and we're actually going to go to the affiliate marketplace, and we're gonna type in overnight, right? And so here we see Overnight Millionaire. We're gonna press promote. And if you haven't created a ClickBank account, it's completely free to do. Again, it's the largest reputable affiliate network in the world. They've done billions and billions of dollars in affiliate sales. So we're gonna grab this and we're actually gonna click promote. And you can see every time somebody actually goes through and buys this product that you're gonna be promoting with your free ads, you're gonna make $24.62, right? And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna put in our account nickname after we create our account. If you don't know how to create your ClickBank account, just Google search, ClickBank account creation. Again, it's completely free to do. All you have to do is enter your account information of how you want to be paid, how you want them to actually send you the money by check or by wire transfer. We're gonna put in our account nickname that you get after you sign up for ClickBank, and then we're gonna press promote right here. We're gonna press generate hop links, right? This hop link essentially tells ClickBank that if somebody clicks this link and then goes through and actually purchases this product, that you get credit for that sale and you make $24.62 every time that happens, right? So we're gonna grab this link, we're gonna copy it, we're gonna go to a site called Marketer Magic, which is an incredible tool that I use for all of my businesses. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to a link shortener called Mini-Me. You can see that we have 350,000 link clicks in our link shortener. We have 200,000 in the deep links. What we're gonna do is we're gonna press create. Right? We're gonna paste that long, ugly link that we got from ClickBank into our actual link shortener right here. If you don't wanna sign up for Marketer Magic, other free options are Bitly and things like that. They're just much less advanced, and they're just not for people who are really serious about digital marketing and making a significant amount of money. So we're gonna paste this in, and we're gonna go to create a link. Right? Now what we can do is we can make this actually much nicer looking. We can put it as make money now. Right? And so now instead of that long ugly link, it's just gonna look like this really pretty nice little looking link right here, mini.me/make money now, right? People are gonna click that much more likely than some long ugly hop link. So we're gonna come back into the free ad forum, and we're gonna paste that link right here where it says your website URL. Now we're actually gonna have to upload some images, and then we're gonna add a video that we think would be the highest converting, right? If we actually come to the Overnight Millionaire and we go to visit website, what we're gonna see is he actually has a video right here, which is very a fit to the target demographic of people who are gonna be viewing these free ad forms and things like that. And so what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna take this video that he has on his landing page that's been proven to convert, right? Because if it didn't convert, it wouldn't be on the top selling list of ClickBank. We're gonna grab this actual video URL, which I have right here, and we're actually going to put that into our video slot right here on the free ad forum. So now when people come and visit our actual ad, they're going to see a video that we know is really well made and designed to actually go ahead and convert people on this offer that we have. right? So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna just skip all of this stuff because they have like little upsells and things like that to attract attention and things, but we don't need any of that. We're gonna press preview. Right now we're going to be able to actually preview our ad and see what it looks like with our final title and body and with our final link and things like that. So now we can see what our ad actually looks like right here. You can see this is the strategy the government doesn't want you to know about, right? It fits perfectly with this kind of like hyper stylized thumbnail and like the government warning on it, right? It's really well fitted for your demographic, which is something that's very important to understand who your audience actually is with the marketing that you're doing, right? So this is what our ad is going to look like. We're gonna accept and submit. And then anytime somebody reads this and then at the bottom clicks on our link, what's gonna happen is it's going to redirect that person directly to our specific affiliate link that we generated from ClickBank. And then every time somebody actually goes ahead and buys that cheap, well converting, proven product that's perfectly fitted to this target demographic, what's gonna happen is we're gonna get $25 every single time we make a sale. And there's tons of traffic coming to the free ad forum every single day. And we can see that we just processed our order has been received successfully for $0. And now, potentially thousands, if not tens of thousands or more people are gonna see our ad. And if they're interested in it, they're gonna click it, read it, and then watch a video that has been pre-programmed and proven to actually be high converting and successful when it comes to getting people to purchase this product, of course, and we would get an affiliate commission every single time somebody did buy it. And it's as simple as that, but there are a couple more incredible strategies that I wanna show you guys really quick, right? So there's other sites just like the free ad forum, like global free classified ads, where you can do the exact same thing, right? And so I'm not gonna walk through all of that again, but I do wanna show a couple of ways that you can really turn this into something that's awesome. So we're gonna go back to CB Engine really quick, and we're gonna look for a product that has a high gravity score, right? Something that has been proven to make affiliates, right? To make you money for promoting it. And we're gonna look for another one. So what we're gonna look for is something that actually teaches people how to make money, right? Get paid for your opinions. This might be one, but the initial sale is only $1, so it's not particularly interesting. The 12-minute affiliate system might be something that is worth taking a look at. Let's check out this one really quick. All right, so let's take a look at this one. Let's view the website. 12-minute affiliate. Right, so what we're looking for is, here we go. So if you can order a pizza, you can make money with this system. Activate your system today, right? It has a time date thing to make it always seem up to date. And so let's check this out. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go back to ClickBank here, and we're gonna go back to the affiliate marketplace, and we're gonna put in 12-minute. Right? And what we're gonna do is 12-minute affiliate system. You see you make $56 every single time that you actually make a sale. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna press promote. We're gonna generate our hop link. We're gonna grab this long, ugly link. We're gonna go back to Marketer Magic. We're gonna create another link right here. We're gonna create this link. We're gonna shorten it, and we're gonna call this one best money making, or we're gonna call this let's call this one passive income 2019. Right? So now that we have this nice little link, what we're gonna do is we're gonna find a way to promote this, right? And so one of the best ways to actually go about promoting this, and I've never shared this strategy ever before, guys, so this is a really, really exciting one. If you wanna make money and you have a significant amount of time, but you don't have a bunch of money, right? If you're looking for something that's really scalable, something that you can create into a monster business, I suggest checking out other videos after this video that I have about Amazon FBA, about Shopify dropshipping, about SMMA, social media marketing, creating your own digital course. This strategy that I'm showing you right now is a way to get started and to really start to build your capital if you're just starting out and you have more time than you have money. Because as an entrepreneur, you always either have more time or more money. If you have more money, you hire people to help you. If you have more time, you do everything yourself, right? That's just kind of the way that the game works. So what we're doing is we're on Craigslist right now. I'm in Las Vegas at my house here. And what we're gonna do is we are going to actually type in resumes, right? Because what does it tell you when somebody has their resume on Craigslist? It's telling you that they are looking for work. They're looking for a job. They're looking and trying to make money. And so what we're gonna do is we're actually going to share our affiliate link with a program that's already proven to actually have conversions, right? And what does that program teach people how to do? It teaches people how to make money if they can deliver a pizza, right? If they can order a pizza, they can make money with this system, right? And it's proven, it's gotten a ton of sales. And what we're gonna do is we're going to send out our affiliate link to this high converting page to every single person who posted their resume on Craigslist. And some of these people might actually make money with the system. Maybe a lot of them will, right? If it's a high converting product on ClickBank, it must work to some degree. Maybe it's an amazing product. I've never actually taken it, so I don't know for sure, but we know that it is high converting. And if it's high converting, hopefully it is a quality product as well. And so what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna open up all of these resume ads that we see right here on Craigslist. And what you can see right here that you can reply to every single one of them. You could say, make it personalized. You could say something like, hey, my name is Kevin. I saw your resume on Craigslist. I just wanted to show you about something that really helped me. You could even make it personal and say, I was in your position recently where I was looking for work and this is actually what helped me, right? And then just literally in the email, post in your affiliate link, right? So we can actually click reply here. We can go into Gmail and I'll actually show you guys exactly what I would write, right? So I would say, hey there, I just wanted to quickly drop you a note because I was in your position recently looking for work on Craigslist. I found something after a long time searching that actually worked. If you're interested, take a look here or reply to this email with any questions and I'd be happy to help you. Wish you luck or wish you the best, right? And then you could post your link right here. Click here to check it out, right? And then you could put your link right here that we just made inside of marketermagic.com to make it a much prettier, more aesthetically pleasing link. And then what happens is every time somebody clicks on this link, it opens up into our specific affiliate link of this product that has been proven to convert. And remember, every time that we actually get a sale for this product, we make $56.69. And there's literally hundreds of cities in the USA. There's hundreds of resume sections in hundreds of cities on Craigslist. And if you really want to grind, right, you can go through all the resume sections on all of Craigslist and send hundreds of emails a day. You can train virtual assistants to do the same thing. And you can just promote your specific link for this product. You can try different email templates. You can use their name if they say their name in their resume to make it much more personalized. Another thing that I like to try is for the subject line, if let's say her name was Karen and she posted it, I would put Karen ? Right? It just increases your open rate significantly. I could even say, did you see this with a question mark? Another incredible subject line to get people to open it. And so those are two amazing strategies, guys, that are completely free. And if you're willing to hustle, you can make a significant amount of money actually doing 100% for free from anywhere in the world. You just have to have the hustle to do it. Remember, 99% of people are not going to do this. If you want to be part of the 1% and be financially free and have the wealth to do the things that you want, you have to be willing to do what 99% of people are not willing to do. Because remember, if you want things you've never had, you have to do things you've never done. And if you enjoyed these videos, you guys can tell I'm putting out a ton of effort finding these strategies, making sure that they actually work, vetting them, and then making them as simple as possible. So make sure you tap on the little subscribe button if you like making money. And speaking of making money, check out this video right here where I teach you how to make $1,000 per week with no job, completely for free from anywhere in the world. See you there. Hey yo, what is up, ninjas? If you want to learn how to make $1,000 per week with no job and even better yet, zero money to start, you're gonna want to stay